Plug detection in Tesla vehicles relies on sensors that identify the plug's presence and type, whether it's a CCS or NACS standard connector. Failures often stem from sensor misalignment, dirt accumulation, or software glitches, leading to false negatives where the system doesn't recognize the plug. This results in the charge port door closing prematurely during charging, disrupting the process. In late 2025, Tesla improved plug detection algorithms through software updates, reducing false closures by up to 40% based on internal telemetry. However, older Model 3 vehicles still experience these issues, which are often resolvable through diagnostics in Tesla's mobile app or in-person service. The lock pin mechanism is a solenoid-actuated pin that secures the charging plug in place during charging sessions. This pin engages to hold the plug securely, preventing disconnection. The solenoid uses electromagnetic force to extend or retract the pin as needed. A solenoid is an electromagnetic device that converts electrical energy into mechanical motion, similar to the one controlling the lock pin. In the Tesla Model 3, the charge port door opens to reveal the lock pin mechanism and connection points. Issues with the lock pin mechanism often stem from mechanical wear or electrical faults in the solenoid. Mechanical wear can cause the pin to become misaligned or stuck, while electrical faults may prevent the solenoid from activating properly. When the lock pin fails, you may notice the charge port ejecting the plug unexpectedly or refusing to lock the plug in place. Plug ejection occurs when the pin fails to hold, causing the plug to disconnect during charging. Refusal to lock means the pin won't engage, preventing charging from starting. A voluntary recall was issued in Q3 2025 for Model 3 vehicles from 2017 to 2023, providing free replacements of the charge port latch assembly and lock pin motor. Similar to safety recalls in other vehicles, this ensures affected Tesla owners receive necessary repairs at no cost. The lock pin interacts with the charging plug's connection points, as shown in the NACS standard schematic. Tesla's onboard computer controls the charge port through settings on the touchscreen. Navigate to Service, then Charge Port to access these controls. Try recalibrating the sensors with the reset function, or update to the latest firmware to fix software glitches. Tesla's over-the-air updates allow remote troubleshooting, cutting down on dealership visits by 60% in many cases. Owners of older Model 3s may still experience occasional issues, which are often resolved through the Tesla mobile app diagnostics or by visiting a service center. Before visiting a service center for charge port issues, try this simple DIY fix. Clean the sensor contacts using compressed air to remove dust and debris that can interfere with plug detection. Another effective DIY solution is performing a charge port reset through the Tesla mobile app. This recalibrates the sensors and can resolve detection issues without professional help. For long-term reliability, independent mechanics recommend annual inspections of your charge port. Check for dust buildup, test sensor function, and ensure the lock pin mechanism operates smoothly to catch potential problems early. When basic troubleshooting steps fail to resolve your Tesla Model 3 charge port issues, it's important to contact Tesla Service for professional assistance. Many charge port issues are covered under Tesla's warranty or the 2025 recall program, specifically NHTSA campaign number 25V123. This recall targets problems with the charge port latch assembly and lock pin motor in certain Model 3 vehicles. For example, a 2020 Model 3 owner in California reported their charge port closing repeatedly during supercharger sessions, which severely disrupted long-distance travel. When a software update couldn't resolve the issue, Tesla Service replaced the entire charge port assembly at no cost under warranty, providing a permanent solution. The EV sector is trending toward universal ports, like Tesla's NACS being adopted by rivals, potentially lowering failure rates through standardized designs. Future outlook points to fully autonomous charging systems, where ports could adapt to environmental factors like extreme weather. By 2026, modular charge ports are becoming standard in new Tesla models, incorporating self-healing sensors and AI diagnostics that predict failures before they occur. Long-term, wireless charging advancements like Tesla's experimental maglev tech may render mechanical ports obsolete by 2030, eliminating closure issues entirely. Experts opine that while Tesla's fixes are effective, the root cause often lies in rushed manufacturing during early production ramps. Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated in 2025 that charge port reliability is now 99.5% in updated models, thanks to better parts. Charge port closures account for 2.3% of service calls for Model 3s, down from 5.1% in 2023. Plug detection errors comprise 60% of cases. A J.D. Power survey in 2025 ranked Tesla's charging reliability at 8.5/10th, up from 7.2/10 in 2024, attributing gains to software tweaks. Through software updates and hardware improvements, Tesla has significantly enhanced charge port reliability.